How to add photos to frames in Canva. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva. After that, on left side, you will find upload. Click on upload and upload the image. After that, simply go to elements, which is located on left side. In here, you will find frames. Simply click on the frame shape you want. After you've selected, resize the photos you uploaded earlier, so frame will be adjusted. After that, drag the frame, take uploaded picture and simply drag it to the frame, and it will be set inside frame. You can resize the picture. You're good to go. That's how to add photos to frames in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.